Ready. Dr. Grego here. Thanks for watching. We had a question from one of our friends out there in Facebook land, and they asked, Dr. Mike, can you please talk about the importance of calories while practicing nutritional ketosis? Wow, that's a great question. Calories. So if we're trying to get into ketosis and we have too many calories, then if they're coming from protein, then those calories are going to turn into sugars and we're not going to get into ketosis. If those calories are coming from fats and we have too many calories coming from fats, that's not going to hurt us. Too many calories from fat coming in as far as weight loss goes, when your liver takes the fats and converts them to ketone bodies and or medium chain fatty acids, they cannot, listen to me very closely, they cannot be stored as fat. So you cannot have excess fat running around your body that if you don't use it for energy, it will go underneath your arms or on your backside, ladies. Okay, so then the second part of the question, will too few calories impact our body's ability to burn fat? Another good question. And I'm going to assume again that you're actually in nutritional ketosis, and too few calories, that's actually impossible because you actually carry a refrigerator around with you with stock full of food. If you're keto adapted, that is if you're truly fat adapted and you're using fat as your primary fuel source, then you always have, if you go through all your body fat, which is next to impossible to do, and then you actually get down to visceral fat, the fat that's around, mesenchymal fat, they call it, around your heart, your vital organs, it's still food. You can still use it. So in fact, if you want to know what true nutritional ketosis is, it is a very sound and nutritionally controlled starvation. It's a nutritionally sound, controlled starvation. Right. So when you're starving, but you're not really starving because obviously you're eating avocados, you're eating MCTs from the coconut, you're eating avocado, you're eating your ribeye steaks with your marbled meat with all the good fat inside of it, you're eating your Kerry cheese, right, made from grass-fed cows. So no, you cannot, eating too many calories or too little calories, actually they won't harm you if you're in nutritional ketosis. Great questions. Keep them coming. Until the next video, thanks for watching.